Have you ever imagined waking up tomorrow and seeing an extra $100 in your account just from something you did online? Not from a 9 to 5 job, not from overtime, but from a skill or strategy you can start today. Sounds unreal? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how ordinary people are making $100 a day online and how you can start too, even if you're a complete beginner. Welcome to WealthWise Hub. My name is Fahad, and I'm so glad you're here. This channel is all about helping you discover simple skills, realistic strategies, and smarter ways to create income online. Think of it as your pathway toward financial freedom without hype or shortcuts, just practical knowledge you can actually use. And just a quick note, everything I share is for education and awareness, only not financial advice. I know what you're thinking. Is this really possible? Will I feel like so many others? And that's exactly why I'm making this video. I want to help you avoid the mistakes most beginners make, overcome the challenges that stop people from earning online, and take the first practical step toward financial freedom. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to WealthWise Hub. Every week, I break down realistic ways to earn online, teach simple skills that anyone can learn, and show you how to turn your efforts into actual income. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how making $100 a day is possible, but you'll also walk away with clear steps to get started, and I'll share some bonus tips most people completely overlook, so stick around till the end. Now, let's jump in and uncover the real ways people are making money online, even with no prior experience. Before we dive into the ways to make $100 a day online, let's take a reality check. Most beginners fail because they face real pain points that no one talks about. You've probably tried random apps, surveys, or even small online gigs, only to realize they barely make a few dollars or nothing at all. You work hard, putting your time, and feel frustrated because the results never match the effort. Then there's the challenge of choice. The internet is full of advice, tutorials, and courses. Everyone promises that their method is the fastest path to money, but too much information often leads to overwhelm. Many people give up before they even start because they don't know which step to take first. And here's the kicker, the mistakes beginners commonly make: chasing shiny objects, jumping from one online idea to another without sticking to a single method, expecting instant results, thinking you'll hit $100 per day in a week or two, copying others blindly, trying to imitate someone else's strategy without adapting it to your skills or situation. Sound familiar? Don't worry, you're not alone. These struggles are completely normal, but they don't have to stop you. Understanding these pain points, challenges, and mistakes is the first step toward making your online journey easier and faster. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to avoid these pitfalls, choose a method that works for you, and start taking real steps to earn your first $100 a day online. Now, let's explore the actual proven ways people are making money online, even if they started with zero experience. Now, let's talk about the first proven way to make $100 a day online: freelancing. Freelancing is basically offering your skills to people or businesses online and getting paid for it. And the best part? You don't need a fancy degree, just a skill you can deliver. It could be writing, graphic design, video editing, social media management, or even data entry. Here's how beginners usually start. Pick a skill you're good at or enjoy learning. Create a profile on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Start applying for small projects and build your reputation gradually. But here's the reality: many beginners face pain points right away. You might not get a client in the first week. Feel discouraged when experienced freelancers outbid you. Wonder if your work is even good enough. The challenges are real, but completely manageable. You need to stand out by showing real examples of your work, even if they are small practice projects. Be consistent with applications and learning. Communicate clearly and professionally with clients. And let's not forget the common mistakes beginners make: copying proposals word for word from others instead of personalizing, quitting after the first rejection or slow start, trying too many skills at once instead of mastering one. Here's the good news: if you stick to one skill, complete small projects, and deliver quality work consistently, you can easily reach $100 a day. Some freelancers start with just $20 to $30 per project, but once you build a reputation, bigger projects come in and your earnings can scale quickly. Even better, freelancing teaches you marketable skills you can use long term. So, if you've been thinking, I don't know where to start, freelancing is the perfect first step toward earning consistent online income. Next, we'll explore another powerful method that can help you make $100 a day without selling your time directly, and this one can even bring passive income while you sleep. Now that we've covered freelancing, let's dive into another powerful way to make $100 a day online: digital products and content creation. Digital products are things you create once and can sell over and over again. Examples include ebooks or guides templates for social media posts, spreadsheets, or graphics, online courses teaching skills you already know. Content creation includes building an audience on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or blogging, and monetizing through ads, sponsorships, or even promoting your own products. Here's the truth: many beginners face pain points in this area, thinking they're not expert enough to create anything valuable, feeling overwhelmed by all the tools and platforms, fear that nobody will buy or watch their content. The challenges are real, but completely manageable. You need to start simple and practical. For example, a 10-page guide or a short video tutorial is enough. Focus on helping your audience rather than perfect production. Learn the basics of promotion to get your product or content in front of the right people. And here are common mistakes beginners make: overcomplicating their products instead of starting simple, giving up after creating just one product or video, copying what others are doing instead of adding their unique value. The key is consistency and value over perfection. Start small, test your ideas, and improve along the way. Many people make their first $100 per day by selling just a few copies of a digital product or getting their first viral video with simple content. Later in this video, I'll also share bonus tips on how to combine content creation with affiliate marketing to boost earnings even faster. So stay tuned, because this strategy can grow into a long-term income stream, even while you sleep. Next, let's explore affiliate marketing, one of the most beginner-friendly ways to make $100 a day online without creating your own product. Affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique link. You don't need to handle inventory, shipping, or customer service. Your job is to share the product with the right audience. Here's how beginners usually start. Pick a product or service you believe in or have experience with. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or individual company programs. Promote the product through social media, a blog, email, or YouTube content. Earn a commission for every sale. Now, let's talk about the pain points beginners face: finding the right audience to promote your links, understanding which products are in demand, feeling unsure if anyone will click or buy. The challenges are real but solvable. You need to research your niche and find products your audience genuinely needs. Create valuable content that helps people instead of just sharing links. Be consistent. Traffic takes time, but it builds up quickly if done correctly. And here are the common mistakes beginners make: spamming links everywhere without giving real value, choosing products with little demand or low commissions, giving up too early because the first week doesn't bring sales. The key to success in affiliate marketing is helping people solve problems while promoting products. Even with a small audience, beginners can make their first $100 per day once they understand the right niche and strategy. Later in this video, I'll share bonus tips on combining affiliate marketing with digital products and content creation to maximize your earnings. So stay with me. This is where things get really exciting. Another powerful way to earn $100 a day online is through e-commerce and print on demand. E-commerce includes selling physical products online, and print on demand allows you to sell custom-designed products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases without holding inventory. You create the designs, set up your store, and the supplier handles production and shipping. Here's how beginners can start. Choose a niche or target audience for your products. Create simple designs or products that appeal to your niche. Use platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or Printful to sell your products. Promote your store through social media or other online channels. Now, let's talk about the pain points beginners face: fear of upfront costs or losing money, feeling overwhelmed by designing products or learning platforms, uncertainty about how to reach customers and generate sales. The challenges include understanding which products or designs sell well, learning marketing basics to drive traffic to your store, being patient while your store gains traction. And the common mistakes beginners make are copying popular products without targeting a specific niche, expecting immediate sales without marketing effort, trying to do everything themselves instead of leveraging tools or platforms. The key is starting small and focusing on one or two products at first. Many beginners make their first $100 per day once they test their designs, learn which products sell, and optimize their store. Later, I'll share bonus tips on how to combine e-commerce with other online methods like affiliate marketing and content creation to grow your earnings faster. So keep watching. This part is crucial for building long-term income. Before we move to the practical roadmap, let's take a moment to talk about the common mistakes beginners make when trying to earn $100 a day online. Even the most motivated people often struggle because they fall into the same traps. Understanding these mistakes now can save you weeks or even months of frustration. Here are the biggest mistakes beginners make. 1. Quitting too soon. Many people give up after just a few days or weeks because they don't see instant results. 2. Spreading themselves too thin, trying 5 different methods at once instead of focusing on one. 3. Copying others blindly, imitating someone else's strategy without adapting it to your skills or audience. 4. Expecting overnight success, thinking $100 per day will happen immediately without putting in consistent effort. 5. Overcomplicating things, waiting to be perfect before starting instead of taking small actionable steps. The pain points behind these mistakes are real: frustration, wasted time, and the feeling that online earning is impossible. The challenges are also normal: staying motivated, choosing the right method, and knowing where to begin. But here's the good news: all of these mistakes are avoidable. By picking one method, focusing on it, and taking consistent action, you can start earning $100 per day much faster than most beginners. Remember, every successful online earner started somewhere, and they all made mistakes along the way. What sets them apart is they learned from their mistakes, stayed consistent, and kept improving. Next, I'll show you a practical roadmap to start earning $100 a day online, step by step, so you can take action immediately. Now it's time to get practical. Let me show you a clear, step-by-step roadmap to start earning $100 a day online, even if you're a complete beginner. Step 1. Pick one method to start with. Whether it's freelancing, affiliate marketing, digital products, content creation, or e-commerce, focus on one path first. Don't spread yourself too thin. Consistency beats jumping around. Step 2. Learn the basics. Take small courses, watch tutorials, or practice on free platforms. The goal isn't to become an expert overnight, but to understand enough to take action and get results. Step 3. Take action immediately. Start with small, manageable tasks. Apply to 2 to 3 freelance gigs per day. Write a short guide or design one template. Create one affiliate post or video. The key is momentum. Small wins compound over time. Step 4. Track your progress. Keep a simple log of what's working and what isn't. If a method isn't generating results, tweak it instead of quitting completely. Step 5. Scale gradually. Once you start seeing consistent results, increase your effort, improve your skills, and expand your reach. This is how beginners turn $10 or $20 per day into $100 per day or more. Here are some pain points you might face along the way: feeling overwhelmed by all the steps, fear of making mistakes or failing, impatience when results take time. The challenges are normal: building consistency, learning marketing, and improving skills gradually. And the common mistakes beginners make here are trying to master everything at once instead of starting simple, giving up after the first week of low results, ignoring feedback and not improving. If you follow this roadmap and take focused, consistent action, you will not only reach $100 per day, but also build skills and habits that can grow into a sustainable online income. Stay with me because in the next section, I'll share mindset tips and bonus strategies that separate beginners from those who actually succeed online. At this point, you've seen the practical steps to earn $100 a day online, but here's something just as important: your mindset. Many beginners fail not because the strategies don't work, but because they give up too soon or let fear and doubt take over. Here are the pain points most people face: feeling like they're too late to start, comparing themselves to others who are already successful, losing motivation when results don't appear immediately. The challenge is learning to stay consistent, patient, and focused while building your online income. And the common mistakes: giving up after a few setbacks, overthinking every step instead of taking action, thinking success is only for experts or tech savvy people. Here's the truth: success online is about persistence and learning from your mistakes. Every person who earns $100 a day, or even more, started somewhere. They face the same struggles you're facing right now. So, how do you build the right mindset? Focus on progress, not perfection. Every small step counts. Celebrate small wins. Each project, each sale, each new skill learned is a step closer to your goal. Keep learning. Skills grow with practice, and income grows with skill. Stay consistent. The most successful earners didn't quit, they kept taking action, even when it was tough. Remember, your journey might have ups and downs, but the key is not giving up. Stick with your plan, follow the roadmap, and combine it with the strategies we discussed. You will reach $100 a day and even go beyond that. In the next section, I'll wrap everything up and share some bonus tips that most beginners overlook, which can give you an extra edge to reach your first $100 per day faster. Don't skip it, it's worth watching until the end. We've covered a lot so far: freelancing, digital products, content creation, affiliate marketing, e commerce, common mistakes, and the practical roadmap to $100 a day online. Before we finish, I want to share some bonus tips that most beginners overlook, which can help you reach your first $100 per day faster. Combine strategies. Don't rely on just one method. For example, create a small digital product while doing freelance work or promote affiliate products through your content. This multiplies your income opportunities. Leverage free tools. You don't need expensive software to start. Free tools for design, video editing, and content promotion can help you launch without upfront costs. Focus on solving problems. People pay for solutions. The more your product, service, or content helps them, the more you'll earn. Track and optimize. Keep an eye on what works and what doesn't. Small adjustments in your strategy can make a big difference in earnings. Now, here's the final motivation to take action. Remember the pain points we discussed: overwhelm, fear, and low results. They are temporary. The challenges: consistency, learning, and patience, can be overcome. And the mistakes: quitting too soon, copying blindly, overcomplicating, can be avoided with focus and persistence. The key is simple: pick one method, take consistent action, learn along the way, and don't give up. If you follow these steps, $100 a day is not a dream. It's a realistic goal that can become your reality. And as you grow, you can scale beyond that and achieve long-term financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to WealthWise Hub so you don't miss more strategies that can help you earn online. And comment below which method you want me to break down next so I can create content tailored to help you succeed faster. Remember, if others can do it, so can you. Take the first step today, and your journey to $100 per day and beyond starts now.